Now we have our research done, we have our slides created, we need to learn how to put images into our Google products. If you look down here in the bottom right corner, you see a little star. And when I move my mouse over it, it says Explore. If I click on that, this is an area where I can search docs, I can search the web, I can search images. So I'm going to click in the little search box and I'm going to type what I'm looking for. I want a picture of a cardinal bird. And I'm going to search for that. Either click enter or click the little magnifying glass. Now right now, I'm on the web. It's giving me information about a cardinal. But I want images. I want to find a picture. So now I want to find a picture of a cardinal bird that I like. Now I don't want to take all day looking for a picture. But I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to click on it. Yep, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to click insert. Now that picture is way too big. Remember, we can always modify a picture. If we move over the dots, as long as we're clicked on it, we see the dots, we get a little double arrow. That means I can resize it. I can drag it in, I can drag it out, whatever size I want. I can click, I can move it to a different area. If I want to turn it a little bit, that little dot that sticks up at the top, maybe I don't want it to be straight on. Maybe I want it to be a little bit sideways. Now, I don't want it to be upside down. That wouldn't make any sense. But I want it to look good on my presentation. So now I want to find a picture of coal. So my Explorer box is still up. So I'm just going to go to my next slide where I want the coal to be. And I'm going to search. Now, maybe I clicked on this one. And I don't like that one. Just click over in the empty space. Maybe I want to keep going. Maybe I click on this one and I insert it. But then, oh, wait a minute. I liked the one up here, this one better. It looks shinier. I don't want this picture anymore. If I'm clicked on the picture, I can hit delete. The picture's gone. Then I'm going to add that picture. If I don't want to click on it and see it real big first, I can just click the plus sign. And then I'm going to move it around. Now, you notice it gives me the link where this picture was found. Because remember, when we're online, everything does not belong to us. Somebody else took that picture, posted it, it belongs to them. But it is giving me the link where that picture is found, so it's giving the credit to the person that put the picture up there automatically. So I'm going to add all of my pictures that I need to my slides. Remember, you are being graded on each slide being completed, that you have your research worksheet and you have each of your slides completed. The only one that you're really not going to have a picture for would be the third slide for the state motto. Everything else is going to have the words and a picture. Once you are finished, if you want to see your slideshow, then you can go to present and you can actually watch your slideshow, because remember I said that, now I want it on page 1, so I'm going to go back. A presentation is all about presenting. So now I am actually watching my slideshow. Now mine is not complete, but yours will be at this time. So I'm going to click exit to get out of the slideshow. And now I'm ready to share it. So I'm going to click on share. We did this with our Google Doc. It has to have a title, so Kentucky Symbols is fine. So I click save. And then this is where you're going to start entering A for my name, AM, find my name. Should already be in there, pretty easy from where we did this before. And then you're going to click send. And that will automatically turn it into me. I'm not really going to send it to myself, so I'm going to get out of that.